Here we are at Cosham station level crossing in Hampshire with Joe, UK level crossings channel, and train level 123. Time now is 7:15 on Saturday the 12th of May 2018, and this is for your 0717 1 Tango 24 Southwestern Railway service in Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. Oh, there's another one coming to thing as well. I'm on the check. This will also be for you. No, this is the only one. Is it in? Yep, it's in. There it is. It comes 44010. Triple 4010 to London, Waterloo.